Integration by partial fractions. Let's consider an example. Find the integral I is equal to integration of dx over x minus 3x minus 5. As you can see, it is given that our rational function is 1 over x minus 3x minus 5. Let's use the partial fraction to split this rational function. So if I do that, I will write 1 over x minus 3x minus 5 is equal to a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 5. Let's further simplify. In order to further simplify, we need to take the common denominator. And as you can see, a common denominator is x minus 3x minus 5, which is over here. And then our numerator will become ax minus 5 plus bx minus 3. Let's compare on both sides. And if we compare, we will write ax minus 5 plus bx minus 3, which is over here, is equal to 1 from here. Let's further simplify. In order to further simplify, I will keep my x's together. So I will write a plus bx plus negative 5a minus 3b equals to 1. As you can see, there is a constant term only on the right hand side and there is no term for x. So coefficient of x is a plus b, which is equal to 0. There is no term of x. And if I further simplify, I can write a is equal to negative b. My constant term is negative 5a minus 3b, which is equal to 1. So I will write it here. As you can see, I have a is negative b. So I will plug in over here and I will write negative 5 times negative b, which is here, minus 3b from here is equal to 1. 5b minus 3b is 2b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 over 2. As you know, a is equal to negative b. So we can substitute this b over here. So we can write a is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now let's integrate. So my integral is right here. So let's bring over here. So I will write I is equal to integration of dx over x minus 3, x minus 5. As you know, I can write 1 over x minus 3, x minus 5 as a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 5. And now I know my a's and b's. So let's substitute. And if we do that, this is my expression for the integral. Now let's further simplify. So I will take constants outside. And if I do that, this negative 1 over 2 will be out and I have only what? 1 over x minus 3 left. So I will write negative 1 over 2 integration 1 over x minus 3 dx plus 1 over 2 integration 1x minus 5 dx. So integration of 1 over x minus 3 dx is log x minus 3 and integration of 1 minus x minus 5 dx is log x minus 5. And of course, we have our constants outside the integral right here and here. As you can see, we can take 1 over 2 outside because they are common. So I will write 1 over 2 log x minus 5 minus x minus 3 plus constant of integration. And this is what? Log a minus log b. So if I further simplify, I will write I is equal to 1 over 2 log x minus 5 over x minus 3 plus k, where k is constant of integration. This is how we use the partial fraction to find the integral.